Astonia Bonei. This is Aaron. This is Aaron. Astonia Bonei. Astonia Bonei. Ebu in Igbo land. This plant has been used in medicine for thousands of years. In fact, now that the whole world is facing coronavirus. Coronavirus is a kind of disease that attacks the cardiac region, causing bronchial testimonies, sneezing, coughing, swollen, sore throat, inflammations. To be honest with you, I bring this root, I expose this root so that in any country of the world where you are, especially in African continent, where this Astonia Bonei used to grow, if there is any way you can research more on this Astonia Bonei to your own level and bring out the research work, to God be the glory. But to the best of my knowledge, I'm doing my own part of this research work and planning. That when there was an outbreak in our area many years back, as at 12 years ago, because of flood, a kind of influenza in our community, we now decided to think of what we're going to use. We now thought about this, the natural herbs. Now we started using this Astonia Bonei. So what we did at that time was to go and cut the bark. If you look at this very plant, you will see that people have been coming here, cutting the barks of this plant. They have been coming to show you that it's medicinal. Look at it very, very well. They have been coming, cutting the barks, cutting the barks over the year. Look at it very, very well. They come, they cut because they use it for malaria, they use it for bronchitis, they use it for asthma, they use it for sore throat, they use it for sneezing, allergic reactions. In fact, it's really very, very nice. They use it for bronchial testimonies. And so since we have problem of coronavirus and an issue that has to do with the bronchial system, this Astonia Bonei is very good. We used to cut the barks like this. When we cut the barks, we put them in wash them properly, we put them in the pot. When we put in the pot, we now put ordinary water and boil. So when we boil it, after boiling, we leave it overnight. Then everybody, including me, my children, my grandchildren, we are taking it. So if you wake up in the morning, you bring out big lumps of mucus. Will be discharging from your lungs through your mouth. That was some years back. So I want to introduce to you, my fellow scientists and researchers anywhere in the world, this Astonia Bonei that is very good for bronchial testimony. That is going to help and develop, if developed, for fighting against this problem of coronavirus, alongside with Rensol Rencor, which is also very good for bronchial testimonies. Have a beautiful day. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Glory Queen of the Rosary videos. Glory Queen of the Rosary Hospitals, Naturopathy and Osteopathy Limited. Number 18 Chibuzo Close, Mebamo Koko. By Church Bus Stop or Mechanic Bus Stop, Lagos, Nigeria, West Africa. Have a beautiful weekend. Bye-bye.